Hey everyone, it's AppTap. In this video, I will show you how to find your Facebook profile link or URL. If you want to share your Facebook profile with someone on another social media platform through email or even in a text message, you can easily copy your profile link and send it anywhere. So let's go step by step. First, open the Facebook application on your Android or iPhone. If you are using a computer, you can also open facebook.com in your browser. Alright, now we need to open your profile page. Tap on three-line menu. From here, tap on your profile to open your profile page. Once your profile page opens, you will see your profile picture and your account information. Now you might notice there is not a direct share button for your profile. To find the option, tap on the three dot menu. When the menu opens, scroll down a little and look for the option called share profile. Tap on it. Now you will see several sharing options. You can share your profile to your Facebook feed, send it through another application, or simply copy the link. If you only want the link, tap copy profile link and that's it. Now you can send this link to anyone, and when they open it, they will able to see your Facebook profile. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to AppTap for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.